In this video, what I'd like to show you how to do is draw a basic isometric block shape like we'll be doing in class. An isometric drawing is a pictorial representation of an object in which all three dimensions are drawn at full scale. It shows all three views on one drawing: top view, side view, and front view, and they're drawn at 30 degrees to the bottom of the page. Notice right here our graph paper has lines on it that are 30 degrees to the bottom of the page. The dot in which I'm pointing to right now is the spot I want us to start all of our isometric drawings on. We are going to go up and to the left 5 inches, so I've counted over 5 spots, and now I'm going to draw a line between those. I'm going to use a construction line, a light, thin, erasable line, one that's going to be hard for us to see, which we'll erase later. Right now I'm measuring up 2 inches from our starting dot, and I'm drawing another construction line up 90 degrees to the bottom of the page. I'm going to go all the way over to the left to the dot that we created that was 5 inches away from our starting point, and I'm going to go up 2 more inches and then draw a construction line. And then I'm going to connect across the top. This will finish my front view. At this point, I'm going to come over, and from my starting point, I'm going to count over 3 inches. And I'm going to draw my line in, again a construction line. And this line again is 30 degrees to the bottom of the page, and it's a construction line, light, thin, and erasable. And then from that spot I finished at, I'm going to go up 2 inches, 90 degrees, okay, from the bottom of the page. And I'm going to draw another construction line in. And then I'm going to finish off my side view by connecting the top dots. At this point, the only thing I have left to do is finish off my top view. So I'm going to go over and I'm going to count back 3 inches. 1, 2, 3. Place a little dot there. And I'm going to draw my construction line between those 2 points. And then finish across the back 2 dots. This will complete my isometric basic block shape. The dimensions are 5 inches across the front, 2 inches tall, 3 inches back. Okay, so we're going to be using 5, 3, and 2 as our dimensions. Now, just to make it so you can see it better, I'm going to take a marker. You would do this with your pencil. I'm going to make object lines. And object lines show the final shape that we want the viewer to see, the object. Again, I'm using a marker on this so that you can see better in the video. You will do this with your pencil, and you will go over it and you will darken in the lines again to show the object. Okay, working over here on my side view, finishing that up. And again, our first lines that we did in our drawing, the ones that were light, thin, and erasable, we call those construction lines because they help us to construct the shape. And the final lines, when we want to show what we've drawn, those are called object lines. Object lines show the final shape. And there we have it, our final isometric basic block shape.